So children, we discussed about the connective tissues. So we have completed with the three important tissues of animals, that is epithelial, connective and as well as muscular. So now let us now move on to the last category, that is nervous tissue. You must be familiar with this name, nerve or nerve cells. So the nervous tissue is made up of cells called as nerve cells or neurons. Nerve cells or neuron. So these nerve cells only make up our nervous system, and we all know what are the components of our nervous system. Yes, you are able to hear me, you are able to see the image, you are able to follow my words, and this is all because of the responses which are brought by your nervous system due to the presence of these nerve cells. So what are your nerves doing? They are receiving the stimulus. Right now, what is the stimulus for you? The voice and the image. Okay, so these stimulus are received and they bring out the response. So what would be your response? To listen to the chapter and to follow the images. Am I clear? So these so what are the main parts of your nervous system? Your brain, spinal cord and your sense organs, of course your nerves. So now just let us have a brief view about the structure of the neuron cell or the nerve cell. Now remember children, neuron cells or nerve cells will exist in many forms. Okay, but the very common structure is the one which you are seeing in front of you in the image. So be whatever may be the shape, but every neuron will have two important parts. One, a spherical, more or less spherical structure, which is called as cell body. What is this called as? Cell body. Now if you see, this cell body is not very smooth, but it is having some fine hair-like structures which are called as dendrites, or hair-like extensions called as what? Dendrites. Then centrally located there will be a nucleus and filled with cytoplasm. Now this cell body will just continue as a long structure called cylindrical structure called as what? Axon. Now this axon again terminates into fine hair-like endings which are called as nerve endings. So axons end into nerve endings, and cyton or cell body will have dendrites. So when the stimulus is created, that is when you touch, the touch is felt by your skin, so it is taken up by the dendrites, passed through the cell body, travels through axon and reaches the nerve ending. So from here, this nerve ending, it is sent to the another nerve, and thereby it is passed on to the structures like brain or spinal cord to bring out the action. Okay, so remember children, nerve cells cannot be repaired. Till now what all tissues we discussed, they can repair themselves if the injuries are minor, but there in case of nerve cells this cannot be repaired. So nerve cells, when they are damaged, they cause a permanent damage. Okay, so that is why very often in childhood, if you are infected with polio, the child is unable to walk or is not able to use his limbs. This is because the nervous system has got damaged. Only they can repair in the very young stage, but not in the later stage. So this is about the nerve structure. So nerve cells help in transmission of stimulus and bring out the responses between the sense organs to brain and brain to your muscles to carry out the response. And if you see, there are various types of structures, but the very common structure is this. So with this children, we just concluded with the topic and as well as the chapter of tissues. So we have discussed about the various types of animal tissues. Kindly children, go through the textbook, read the lesson thoroughly to follow the concept.